Ang English ko ya Bisaya accent ya. Kay dili man ko nakatapos it college. Ano lang kuya, one step. One step lang ha, parang tumungtong lang ako ng tumungtong lang ako sa stair. Tapos yun, bumaba ulit ako. And then, I cannot manage how to speak English well. And if I continue my English, it sounds Bisaya, they said. But I'm still thankful that I can understand what they are talking about, especially if they speak English much better US accent. Yeah. British, it's more difficult. But I heard one person, she talk, wow, I don't know if it's fluent for her, but I cannot explain if it's British, US accent, or what do you call that? Not Bisaya, Japanese English or Vietnam English, or I don't know. I cannot follow. Promise, it's not easy to reach the language. Reach. I cannot understand. Oh my God, sorry. Sorry, sir. My nose is bleeding. It's not easy to speak English well. So I need to use tissue paper first.